Okay guys, I want to show you what's on the menu for today. We got a blackout package on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. We did the wheels in black, we did the calipers in red, and we did the trim. All the trim around the windows, the trim, the bezels on the back lights, the Laredo, the Jeep, and we're cleaning up. We did the trim on it. We got a Audi. We're doing the wheels in black on this Audi, and the calipers in red. We got a Lexus. We're doing the wheels in black and the calipers in red. We have a Nissan 350. We did the wheels black. Okay. We got a Dodge Challenger over here. We're going to do the wheels in black, and we're going to put red accents in it to so this is going to be a custom paint two-tone. Got a Beamer next to it. We're getting ready to do black out. We got this 350Z here. We just did the curb rash on. We got another Dodge over here. We're doing some curb rash. So we got a Mercedes here. We're doing all four wheels. They were bent up really bad, so we're going to fix those. Now this little Fiat, someone rattle can plastic dipped this car, and if you look at it, you can see highs and lows, and looks like someone just did a horrible job. We're going to peel it, and we're going to redo it professionally. We're going to do this car properly. So this is a cleanup that someone else did. So this will happen if you choose the wrong company to dip your car. Bring it to the professionals. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, and you will see the difference. This is what we do every single day. We deal with a lot of luxury cars and sports cars and just all kinds of cars. This is another reason why we are the best. HoustonWheelRepair.com, mywheeldoctor.com. 713-942-0294.